In this video, we're going to be adding a swimming pool. First, click the Swimming Pool tab and then click Pool. Left-click to place points, and this will create the shape of your pool. Right-click to place the last point. Or you can click Shape Options, Load Shape, and choose from a variety of pool shapes. Make your selection, and then click OK. Click this image to change the finish material. Make your selection, and then click OK. If you would like an above-ground pool, use this slider to determine how tall the pool wall is above the ground. Use these options to customize the wall width, water tint, water effect, and you can also add steam. This is especially useful when making a custom spa. You can also customize the wall material, coping, and tile. To edit the depth, click Edit Depth. You can add points and then select the different points to customize the depth. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out ideaspectrum.com for more videos and information about our software.